Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chad and Virginia on this version 1 RCI-2950. This unit's got a lot of age on it, but it's still a good in Chad. We went through and did our alignment, tune, peak, truckerized it, so to speak. Replaced the speaker in it with another used speaker to save you some money. Won't cost you a thing. This thing was pretty bad off. Doing about 18 watts on peak when it come in, about 7 average. We've improved that a little bit. Let me show you what we got. RF power all the way down. AM. 5 watt slug. Half watt carrier. Up to 5. We'll spin it back down some. 100 watt slug. I'm going to go and show you average power. Hello audio. Hello audio. 12 watts of average power. Go to the peak side. Audio. Audio. A good easy 40 watts PEP. Alright, Chad, it's ready to go. Sideband's aligned. Talker on AM, talker on sideband. Good, nice, crystal clear audio from Truck CB Sales. And Truck CB Sales on the Facebook. Goddamn. Bump, bump.